If you're seeing the GOG Error 500, don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you two simple fixes that solve the issue for most people. This error usually happens during installation when your system doesn't have enough free space or when the installer doesn't have the permissions it needs to finish properly. The good news is that both fixes are quick, free, and easy to try. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, check your disk space. Make sure the drive you're installing the game to has plenty of free space available, and also check your main C drive. Even if you're installing the game somewhere else, the GOG installer still needs temporary space on C drive to unpack files. As a rule of thumb, try to have about double the size of the game available during installation, because the installer can create large temporary files while decompressing. If your drive is too full, delete any unused files, clear out downloads, empty the recycle bin, or move large videos and folders to another drive or cloud storage. Once you've freed up enough space, try the installation again and see if the error is gone. If the issue still appears, move on to the next fix. Right-click the offline installer file, the one ending in .exe, and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the permission it needs to write files, create folders, and complete the setup without being blocked by Windows restrictions. If Windows asks for confirmation, click Yes to continue. Then let the installer run normally and watch whether it completes without the GOG Error 500 message. In many cases, simply running the installer with admin rights is enough to fix the problem. If it still doesn't work, make sure the installer file is not damaged and that you downloaded the full offline installer from GOG properly. You can also try temporarily disabling anything that may interfere with installation, such as overly aggressive antivirus settings. But in most cases, the two steps in this video are the fastest way to get past the error. So, just to recap, free up enough disk space on both the game drive and your C drive, then run the offline installer as administrator. Those two steps solve the GOG Error 500 for a lot of users and can save you a lot of frustration. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.